Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Webflow from your client site. Build detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the dashboard where your sites are listed. Locate the specific site you want to uninstall. Click on the site name to open the site editor. Once in the site editor, go to the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Integrations section. Here, you will find any connected services that need to be disconnected. Disconnect any third-party integrations related to the site. Return to the main Settings menu. Next, find the Hosting tab and click on it. Under the Hosting settings, locate the Custom Domains section. Remove any custom domains associated with the Webflow site. After removing the domains, navigate to the Backups tab. Create a backup of your site in case you need to restore any content later. Once the backup is complete, proceed to the Site Plan tab. If you have a plan attached to the site, cancel it here. Confirm the cancellation by following any prompts provided. Now, return to the dashboard view. Click on the three dots next to the site name. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Site. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the information carefully before proceeding. Once you are certain, confirm the deletion of the site. You have successfully uninstalled Webflow from your client site build. For future reference, ensure all backup files are stored securely. This concludes the uninstall process for your Webflow site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.